This is the beautiful residence building of Blackstone. This building was constructed in 1914, making it the second oldest residence hall on campus.
Our site is located through this door leading up to the second floor.
The site is over a century old and there is much evidence of deterioration. This features a wall where windows were installed to provide light and some type of ventilation. In this case, there is clear evidence that shows that the whole feature is affected.
When archaeologists go to a site, they take into consideration the factors that create archaeological records. These factors are also known as site formation processes. According to Michael Schiffer, there are two ways that archaeological sites are created. They can be created culturally or naturally. Cultural transformations are products of human activity. This is significant because archaeologists can look for patterns in the artifacts and features that humans produce. From this, they can reach conclusions on how these people lived in the past.
However, not all site formations are produced culturally. Non-cultural formation processes, also known as natural transformations, are events and products of the environment. Archaeologists have to take this into consideration because they can misinterpret the features in the site, which can lead to inaccurate conclusions about how the people in that area lived. It is important to take these formation processes into consideration to accurately understand the archaeological record.
Since the building was constructed over 100 years ago, there is definitely a high chance of chemical agents affecting this paint on the wall and the wall itself. The ventilation is poor, and that can cause the paint to peel and get moldy. Schiffer talks about the environment and how it contains water and oxygen. These elements can lead to oxidation of organic materials. The windows surrounding this feature cause it to be exposed to high levels of water and oxygen.
When the windows in the wall are left open, the rainwater gets in. This rainwater can lead to more corrosion. The textures and discoloration in the paint makes it clear that chemical agents affected the wall. The temperature in the stairwell was relatively cold compared to the rest of the building. This cold air makes the air dry, which explains why the paint is peeling. We can also see that biological agents played a role in the ruination of the wall as shown through pocket holes. Overall, these agents are affecting the area, giving it a non-aesthetically pleasing look.
We can infer that the time it took for the wall to look as it does could have taken anywhere between 10 to 20 years. Due to the constant changes in climate, we can expect that the wall will continue to ruin if no further action or care is taken. If humans are still inhabiting the earth in the next 1,000 years, then maybe this wall will be replastered or repainted. If humans are not around, then this feature will clearly be taken over by the ecological forces surrounding it.